Good morning students. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. Today we'll solve exercise number 9D, subtraction. This is chapter number 9, money. As we know that we have done some exercises of this chapter also. In the last tutorial class we have already solved the addition exercise and its word problems. Okay, so today we'll solve subtraction exercise. So here we have question number 1 and it's many parts like A, B, C, D. So look into the part number A, that is here rupees and paise divided into two column, and then write the rupees into the rupees column and paise into the paise column. So we'll solve some question here on the board. After that, rest of the questions you will solve your own, right? So first of all we'll write here, this is chapter number 9, money, and exercise 9D. All right. Okay, so we'll write here question number 1, subtraction. This is short form of subtract. Or here part A. First we'll write rupees, after that paise. Now we'll write rupees below the rupees column like 90 rupees and 46 paise. Here 43 rupees and 20 paise. Okay, now we'll subtract 6 में से 0 आपको subtract करना है. It means that 0 subtracted by 6. So we'll get here 6 itself. And 2 subtracted from 4, we'll get here 2. Here 3 subtracted from 0. We cannot subtract 3 from 0. Why? Because 0 is smaller than 3. So it will take 1 borrow from this side. It means that 9. Now it will become 10 here, and here it will become 8. Now subtract 3 from 10 will get here 7, and 4 from 8 will get here 4. It means that our answer rupees 47 and 26 paise. This point shows and. Okay, this points mean end. This separates the rupees column and the paise column, right? Okay, let's solve one more question, that is question number F, but we'll write it here B, part B. So here again we'll divide the rupees into paise in two columns, rupees and paise. Now we'll write here rupees 2358. It means 2358 rupees and 64 paise. Here 1217 and 64 paise. Now students, just remember one thing. In the paise column we have only 2 digits. Always remember that in the paise column we have only 2 digits, and in the rupees column we have more than 2 digit, 1 digit, more than 1 digit, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be. Okay, ये हो सकता है 1 से ज़्यादा हो सकता है. रुपीज़ के पार्ट में आपका 1, 2, 3, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, लाख, ये आपका रुपीज़ हो सकता है. बट आपके पैसे में आपका 2 डिजिट में ही आपका पैसा आता है. वाई? क्योंकि 1 रुपीज़ इज इक्वल टू 100 पैसे. वी नो दैट 1 रुपी इज इक्वल टू 100 पैसे. सो 1 रुपी में 100 पैसे होते हैं. तो 100 से नीचे जितने भी नंबर्स होते हैं, लाइक 1 से लेके 99 तक, दीज नंबर्स, दीज ऑल नंबर्स जो भी आते हैं 2 डिजिट नंबर, वो हमारे पैसे में डिनोट होते हैं. ओके, so we'll subtract it again. 4 minus 4 will get here 0. 6 minus 6 will get here again 0. 7 from 8 will get here 1. 1 from 5 will get here 4. 2 from 3, 1. 1 from 2, 1. So the answer is rupees 1141 and 00 paise. Okay, here we have rupees 1141 and 00 paise. All right, now look at here. Here we have done this one, A and F. You have to solve all the questions which I have given in your worksheet. Understood? Now we have some story problem questions here. It means what problems? As every exercises have its own its problems based question. So here we have also problem based questions. So let's look into the question number 2. जस्ट रीड इट विद मी. आपको भी मेरे साथ रीड करना है. रीड इट अलाउड. ओके, जोर जोर से पढ़ना है आपको. गौरी withdraws rupees 200 from the ATM. She spends rupees 65 and 25 paise on provisions. How much money is left with her? So Gauri is a girl. She withdraws 200 from ATM. उसने कितना विड्रॉ किया ATM से? 200 rupees. Right. So she spends rupees 65.24. 65 and 25. She spends on provisions. Provisions पर उसने कितना खर्च कर दिया? 65 and 25 paise. 65 rupees and 25 paise. Now we have to find out the money left with her. So what we'll do? Let me tell you this questions in a short example. That you have 10 rupee note. Okay, your mother give you 10 rupee note, and you purchased a pencil of 5 rupees. Now how much money left with you? कितना आपके पास बच गया? 10 में से आपने 5 का पेंसिल ले लिया, तो आपके पास कितना बचा? 5 rupees. So what you have applied here? Which operations you have applied here? Subtractions. So in these questions we also do subtractions. Okay, so we'll solve this question here with a statement. Okay, now we'll write here solution. So this is solution number 2. The first statement is Gauri withdraws. First statement we'll write here, Gauri withdraws. Withdraws is equal to rupees 200. She spends. Next statement we'll write, she spends is equal to rupees 65 and 25 paise. Now money left. Money is left. Money is left is equal to, what we'll do? We'll just subtract 65 and 25 paise from 200. So we'll separate the rupees and paise column here. Now we'll write here 200 rupees. We have here 200 rupees. And how many paise? 0. So we'll write 0. We have 200 rupees and 0 paise. So we'll write the 0 in the place of paise, below the paise. And next, here we have 65 rupees and 25 paise. So compare this one. Which is greater, 200 or 65? 200. So we'll subtract 65 and 25. 65 rupees and 25 paise from 200. Okay. Now subtract. Look at here. Here we have 0 and here we have 5. So 0 is smaller than 5. We cannot subtract. So it will goes to this place. Here also 0. Now it will goes to this place, here also 0. It will goes to this place, this is also 0. It will goes to this place, this will become, now it will give 1. It means that this 0 will borrow 1 from this side, so it will become 10 here. Now it will give 1 to this side, it will become 10. It will give 1 to this side, become 10. It will give 1 to this side, become 10. Now all the 10 जिन्होंने दिया था, they will become 9. Okay, now this 2 will become 1 here. So 10, 5 from 10 will get here 5. 2 from 9 will get here 7. 5 from 9 will get here 4. 6 from 9 will get here 3. And in the place of 1, no digit over here. So we'll write 1 as it is. Now the answer is rupees 134 and 75 paise. So how much money left with her? The last statement will write thus rupees 134 and 75 paise is left with her. All right? Understood it, children? Okay. Let's look into the next problem, which is problem number 3. So, the problem number 3 is subtract the sum of rupees 549 and 86 paise and rupees 196 from rupees 1000. So look at this question carefully, what the question is saying. Subtract the sum of rupees 549 and 86 paise. And so we have 3 numbers over here. हमको subtract करना है the sum of. What is the meaning of sum of? We have to subtract here also to add the numbers. Because the meaning of sum, S-U-M, sum, the meaning of sum is, children, here it is written sum. So the meaning of sum is addition plus. So we'll add first sum of 2 numbers. Like, let me tell you one easy example that I'm giving you your example. Okay. You spend 10 rupees for chocolate and 5 rupees for a pencil, right? Or toffees. You spend 10 rupees for chocolate and 5 rupees for toffees, and you have 20 rupees. So how much money you have spent? Okay. What I told you, that you have you bought chocolate for 10 rupees and toffees for 5 rupees, and you have, how much money you have? This is 15, and how much money you have? 20. So how much money spent? 15 minus 20, or 20 minus 15, 15 subtracted from 25. So what, which operations you have done here? First addition, after that subtraction. So in these questions you have to do same operations. You will first do addition here. After that you will subtract the result, obtained result or sum of the numbers from the given number. Okay. Which I also explained in previous classes, that previous tutorial classes, that the meaning of from is also subtractions. The second number, the first number by the second number. दैट मीन्स जहाँ पर भी आपको फ्रॉम दिखता है तो सब्ट्रैक्शन में आप सब्ट्रैक्ट ही करते हो वहाँ पर, लेकिन आप दूसरे नंबर से पहले नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो. इट मीन्स दैट you just subtract the first number by the second number. Understood, students? Okay, now look at the solution number 3. Okay, solution number 3. First we'll write sum of rupees 549 and 86 paise and rupees 196 is equal to rupees paise. So 59549 and 86. So no need to put a decimal point here. And here 196. We don't have paise here, so we'll write 0 paise. It means that 0 paise. 6 plus 0, 6. And 8 plus 0, 8. Here 9 plus 6, 15. So we'll write here 5. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14. 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Now, the sum of two number is rupees 745 and 86 paise. Now, the given number is 1000. So, हम इसे 1000 से 745 and 86 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. So, rupees 1000 and okay, as above, first we'll write it in the rupees and paise column. First we'll write given number is equal to 1000. Given amount is rupees 1000. So subtract करेंगे हम rupees and paise. Now we'll write here 1000 rupees and we have 0 paise. So next is 745 rupees and 86 paise. Now we'll subtract it. So children, we have here 0. This 0 is smaller than 6. So it will goes to here. Here is also 0. It will goes here, here, here. All are 0. So it will take 1 from this side. So it is become 10. Now it is become 10 and here it is 9. Now it will give here 10. It is 9. Now it will give here 10. It is 9. And here it will give 10. It will become 10 and here 9. So 6 from 10 will get here 4. 8 from 9 will get here, we'll just get 1. 5 from 9 will get 4. 4 from 9 will get 5. 7 from 9 will get 2. So when we subtract the sum of these number from 1000, we'll get 25 rupees, 25, 4 and 14 paise. This is our answer. Like this, you will solve your word problems, questions. Okay. See you in the next maths tutorial class. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.